Did you know that nearly 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck regardless of income level? Shocking, right? No matter how much we earn, managing money is a challenge. But what if I told you budgeting could completely change your financial game? Welcome to today's video where we dive into the art of budgeting. It's not just about cutting back, it's about gaining control and building a secure future. Stick around as I reveal a game-changing budgeting technique you've probably never heard of. Let's face it, budgeting can feel overwhelming. Overspending on things we don't need? We've all been there. Forgetting where our money went by the end of the month? That's way too common. But here's the thing, most budgeting struggles boil down to one issue. We're not being intentional with our money. Now let's explore a few tried and true techniques to master budgeting. The 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. This method works for those who prefer structure without overcomplication. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar you earn gets a job, whether it's bills, groceries, or savings. It's great for people who want to track every penny. The envelope system. A cash-based method where you allocate spending categories to physical envelopes. It's perfect for managing discretionary expenses. No one size fits all, pick what works for you. And here's the secret technique that's transforming budgets everywhere. Goal-based budgeting. Instead of focusing solely on numbers, tie your budget to personal goals. Want to save for a vacation, pay off a loan, or build an emergency fund? Allocate funds toward these dreams. Budget with a purpose. By turning your goals into tangible outcomes, you'll stay motivated and find budgeting to be far more rewarding. So we've covered the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, the envelope system, and goal-based budgeting. The key? Find what resonates with you and make it a habit. Budgeting equals financial freedom. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite budgeting tip in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial advice. Together, we can all budget like pros.